Good morning friends. Today I will tell you how can you open your income opportunities by just changing your general store. Each one of us buys our daily necessity products like toothpaste, soap, oil, etc. from some or the other shop. Let's take a soap as an example. How does it reach us? First, company manufactures it and gives it to the CNF agent. From there it reaches the distributor, followed by the wholesaler. From wholesaler it reaches the retailer, that is the local shops, and then finally it reaches us. A soap that the company manufactured for ₹40 costs us ₹100. The ₹60 gets divided among these agents and is also spent for advertisements on TV and newspaper. Keeping this in mind, in 1886, USA came up with a concept called direct selling. In this system, the company got directly connected to the customer. No agents were involved in this system. The company manufactures a soap for ₹40, sells it to the customer for ₹100, and the ₹60 which previously got divided among the agents is now given to the customers as bonus. To earn this bonus, customers need to do two things. First, use the products. Second, promote them. On an average, we spend 1000 to 1500 per month on our daily necessities like soap, oil, toothpaste, toothbrush, cooking oil, tea, coffee, etc. But we don't get any returns on these purchases. Now I will tell you about a company called Vestige Marketing Private Limited. By joining this company, you get multiple benefits such as free joining. There is no renewal, which means membership is for lifetime. No monthly targets, and the best part is that you pay only for the products you buy. This company came into force in 2004. Mr. Gautam Bali along with Mr. Kanwarbir Singh and Mr. Deepak Sood founded this company. This company comes under top 5 companies that follow the concept of direct selling. It deals in products ranging from healthcare, personal care, home care, etc. This company provides you 7 types of income. You get 10 to 20% savings on consumption, performance bonus 5 to 20%, director bonus 14%, leadership overriding bonus 15%, car fund 5%, house fund 3%, travel fund 3%. The total of all these is 60%. Now let us talk about the first income, that is savings on consumption. Company made a product which costs ₹120. You will get that for ₹100. It means 20 rupees is your savings. If seen on a monthly basis, suppose you buy products for ₹10,000, ₹2,000 will be your savings. Second type of income is performance bonus. Company gives you 1 business value for purchase of ₹1.66, which means if you spend 166 rupees, you get 100 business value. This business value keeps on accumulating in your account. When you have 16 to 8000 BV, you are in the slab of 5%. When you have 8016 to 32,000 BV, you are in the 8% slab. When you have 32,016 to 72,000 BV, you are in the 11% slab. We reach 14% slab when we have 72,016 to 1,20,000 BV and 17% slab when we have 1,20,016 BV to 1,60,000 BV. Similarly, when we have 1,60,016 BV and above, we become director and reach 20% slab. The third type of income starts when you attain director's post. It is called director bonus. 14% of the overall turnover of the company is divided among all the directors of the company according to their share in the business. After becoming director, you get promotions. Let us talk about the promotions in detail. Suppose you are a director. You need to do business of 32,016 BV per month for a period of 3 months to maintain your director post. If you succeed in doing so, company will give you a minimum income of 13,000 per month for lifetime. If one member of your downline becomes the director, you become silver director. Now you need to do a business of 28,816 per month for 3 months and you will get an income of about 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. When you have 2 directors below you, you become Gold Director. Now you need to do a business of 24,016 BV for 3 months and your income rises to 20 to 25,000 rupees per month for lifetime. Similarly, when you have 3 directors below you, you become Star Director. Now you need to do a business of 16,016 BV for 3 months and your income will rise to 30 to 50,000 rupees for lifetime. As the number of directors below you increase, your promotion increases and your monthly business decreases. Next type of income is Leadership Overriding Bonus. It is payable to Silver Directors and above. 15% of the company's overall turnover is distributed among all the eligible directors. 3% of the overall turnover of the company will be divided as travel fund, another 5% as car fund and 3% as house fund and will be given to you according to the business share. This business is cumulative in nature. Suppose in the first month you purchased goods worth ₹1,000, you got 602 business value and suppose your group earned 5,000 business value, your total group business value equals to 5,000 BV. In the second month you purchased goods worth ₹1,000 again and got a business value of 602, but your total BV will be 1,204 and again if your group earned 5,000 BV, your total group BV will be 10,000. Suppose in the third month, for some reason, you did not do any purchasing. Your points will be 1,204 BV and not 0. In third month, your group again collected 5,000 BV. Your total group BV is now 15,000. In the fourth month, you again purchase goods worth ₹1,000 and get 602 BV. Now your total BV is 1,806. Your group again collected 5,000 BV. Now your total group BV is 20,000. Now as you can see, in 4 months you have spent ₹3,000 and earned 1,806 BV. But your total group BV is 20,000 because of the contribution of the members of your downline. You get 100% BV of your downline and this helps you get promoted faster. With 20,000 BV, you hit the 8% slab. The golden rule of this business is only promotion, no demotion. Are you interested in opening the door to success by joining Vestige? For more information, call on the numbers provided.